Okay, welcome back to our channel. Today is Saturday, October 17 here in the Philippines. So I'm just going to give you an update of our construction for the week. So of course I have to show you our view. So let's check on what we have been done so far for the week. Oh, it's a beautiful day. That's why I took a video. So we are doing some finishing coat on our walls here in the back side. So these are the guys here, our workers since we started this project. And show you, yay, the roof. This is for the villa. They already put the gutter in and the fascia, and now they're installing the insulation. So because they have to put the insulation first before they're going to put the roof. So our roof, I'll show you. That's our steps. As like those are 17 steps total. And so show you. May tubig ari doy ah. Ano yung tubig ko ah. That's the insulation. They have to install it first before they go in to put the tile, the roof in. And they already installed the fascia. And this one, so showing you that's what it looks like. Our insulation doesn't have a foam. It's just a like a fabric type. So that's what they're doing. And see our electrical lines here. This is actually the master bedroom bathroom here. And I'm going to show you the insulation, what it looks like. So this is a reverse to show you what it is before showing how they come up with that fabric type. Fabric. This one has flowers, yay! And let me show you what it is. Hi, Samoy.
Hi.
Kana si Roger, our electrician, the assistant. Now,
Okay. Apil si video yung Spanish video.
So, I'm gonna walk you through. I know I'm kind of fast. I'm trying to have my voice louder this time. I think the last video I have my voice. So this is where they got I think this is what it is. Omni foil, aluminum foil, air bubble foil. So where's the pack of this one? I'm looking if I can find it here so that I can show you what it looks like. Oh, it's not here. These are our soffits, by the way. These are all the soffits here. I'm jumping on you, but this is our soffit. This is actually made in the US. This also, we got this soffit from comes with the roofing. That's where we got them. Oh, where are they? well, well, I'd like to show you that what it looks like. It's a roll. So, oh, there it is. Hey, this one here. Oh yeah, because I asked them to move over here. The roofing. This is what it looks like here. This is where they got this, and that's the one that we installed around up there. That's the one they installed. So these are the roofing here. These are all the roofings materials, and I think today is the last day of the trusses. Yay! We're gonna finish the trusses for the main house. So see what it looks like.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty no.
Lala, Hello Kitty lagi. Tara, kuha na Hello Kitty.
And that's Larry, our painter. See some finishing in this one. Manong gabungtod-bungtod Manila. Ano pa nang finishingon? Ako nun? Lihaan?
Baga kayo, bahas niyo masyadong clean sa bahas
This is
na.
the wood here. This is actually a Malawi. Malawi wood. We'll be finishing and I'll finish that one. So this is Mama's bedroom. This is Mama's Angela's bathroom and the Angela's bedroom. There's a lot of work in this roof here, on this process here. They did a good job with this. A lot of work. A lot of work. But we're so excited that the roofing for the villa is already started. If you notice, that's what it looks like. So Mike has to put in insulation, so, and you can see there's the fascia over there. So good, we're moving along good. And this one here, they're digging our electrical lines. That's our electrical here. We have to connect it to the main power, which is over at the garage. So that's what they're digging. This one has already been santos. And I'll show you some, I think here in the back I have the boys here. That's I did some cleaning. I did some cleaning I did some clean up in here. Oh, I gotta show you my pots. Yay! This is ready for my plants. I ordered this like $14 a piece, and that one is $3 a piece. So I have them ready. So here, this is the the other side of the main house. So I have them cleaned. As you know me, I don't like messy. Even if in a construction place, I still don't like messy. So everything has to be put aside. And this is where we're gonna build our outdoor kitchen right here. And see, I'm gonna show you. Natumba man in tawning akong kuan-ani. Sorry, I had this. I still have to plant this. I don't have time yet. So these plants just grow wild here. So this is the, they just finished this side here, see, because this is gonna be ready for painting and ready for this wall here, because of we are on the back of the resort here, the Bohol. I have to put a this is the one I'm gonna put a bamboo so that this side will be well covered. This, that, and the back, one up there. This, this one. So from here, from this post to there, because I don't want, like I said, for privacy reason, I'm going to run the bamboo there, and on the other on this side of the turtle hut. So like I said, for our privacy. But you see, it's already been painted, and this one is nice too. It's clean, it's painted. So yep, we're excited. We're getting there. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. I just show you the update of our house construction here in Bohol, Philippines. And thank you for watching, and God bless. Thank you.